First, you gotta pour all that in the bowl. That's the brownie mix.
All of it?
All of it. Don't make a mess.
No. It just got on the table.
Okay? Okay. So now, you wanna pour your oil in. Next, you want to put your eggs in.
I'm about to do this one.
Crack both eggs. Be careful.
At the same time?
Crack.
I'm scared.
Be careful. Uh-oh. No eggshells. So put their shells right here.
Grab another
Do
one.
it again. You did good. You didn't get no eggshells in there. Put your thumb, matter of fact, look, let me show you. Put your thumb in the crack and open it up. Yep, just like that. Haha, great job. So now what you want to do to get that yucky egg off of you, want to come over here to the sink.
And then wash my hands.
Yes. Wash really good. Get that egg off of here.
Yeah.
Okay, now rinse. Really good. Rinse some more. Gotta rinse for 20 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Dry them off.
I get all those eggs off of me.
Yes, ma'am. Come
And
on.
water.
Now, what we're gonna do
That's all.
it says add 2 tablespoons of water. So we're gonna let Dad do this, okay?
I'm pouring it in.
Hold this,
I'm pouring it in, right?
just like that. Pay attention.
I'm pouring it in, right? Oh, yeah, I remember. I'm pouring it. Oh.
Okay, so we got your water. Now we need to find
A spoon?
our fork.
Oh. The forky?
We gotta wash it.
Oh. I'm mixing it in.
You better not drop my phone in there.
I'm not.
Girls on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Girls on the bus go round and round, round and round. Girls on the bus go round and round.
Are you done? Hurry up. I'm gonna mix it up.
You gonna mix it up?
Yeah. Like I just did to that pancake.
Just like you did the pancakes.
That pancakes look good. Yeah, time for me to mix
There you
it
go.
up.
Mix it up.
Get that right.
Slow. You gotta do it slowly so you don't make a mess. Okay?
Oh, I thought that was shadow because it's over your feet.
And lift your shirts up.
My sneeze.
Yes, your sleeves. Okay, now mix.
Please get off of me while I pull my sleeves up. Thank you.
You got it?
Yeah. You mix fast, so I want to.
Just don't make a mess, okay? Mix.
What happens if I stand on the chair?
We don't want to stand on the chair.
It breaks, right?
One of them will, probably. One of them's messed up. Mix.
What is that in it?
What?
I see something in it.
That's just a piece of the egg. You gotta whip it in there. Let me see. Let Daddy help you.
I saw a white thing.
It's just egg, baby.
Look, it's the powder.
The mess. That's what it is.
I call it powder for some reason.
You ready to mix some more?
Yeah! Wow.
Yeah.
I really want to
Mix,
lick
mix,
it.
mix.
I really want to lick it.
Mix, 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 mix.
Can I lick the spoon?
One time when we finish.
And then we have to pour it in that?
We gotta grease it first. So
Grease?
keep mixing.
Tell me to stop. Because my hand's getting tired.
You getting tired?
Yeah.
Okay, let Daddy take over.
I'm caught with no sugar on me. You just gotta sit down. Okay.
You wanna hold this?
No.
Hold this, let me whip it. Yeah.
Good Bobby, do it.
These are gonna be some. What you gonna call them?
Nyla again restaurant.
Nyla's
Brownies.
restaurant. Nyla's brownies.
Yeah.
All
I got
right.
faces on YouTube.
You gonna put this on YouTube too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay, this is my special treat.
Is your special treat?
Yeah.
I'll make a mess special treat here. That's it now. Put it in the sink. And get the pan for the brownie.
This one?
Yep. Put it right there. We have to put some oil on it. So hold this.
It's good. Where do I have to face it at?
Just right there.
At you?
Not me.
At you? In here?
Put a little oil in the pan like that. And then
You have to put it in tissue.
put it all over the pan, spread it. You know why we do this?
I don't know.
We do this so it won't stick to the pan.
Oh,
Yeah, we want
Really
that
so
pan
good.
really oily.
it really looks good. The chocolate.
All right, you ready to pour or you want Dad to pour?
I want to pour it.
All right, let's do it. Yeah.
I don't need help.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Everybody needs a little help.
Well,
Right
this
there.
girl don't know.
This girl don't, well, you about to make a mess if you don't. Hold it just like that, okay? Not like that, no.
I just want to hold it like that. That's not how you make a mess.
Just like this, okay?
Okay.
Keep it like that. Let me get a spoon real quick.
For me, so I can eat it.
No, so I can.
I want to eat it after.
Huh?
I want to eat it after.
You can't eat all that.
That's all I can do.
You ready? Now, what's your next step after this?
Get some spoon and then get all of that out.
Okay, so hold it like that. Let Dad get the spoon.
Get out of there. Woo!
Yep.
spoon.
Hold this.
I'm gonna do it. And let you hold the camera. I'm chocolate. I got chocolate on me.
You got it all?
And back to oh.
Alright, that's enough.
I'm chocolate.
That's okay. Greedy. Now what's your next step? You're so greedy. What's your next step? What we do next now that we got the stuff in the pan?
We have to put
We
it.
have to get the bubbles out, remember?
Yes. Put chocolate here.
That's okay. Just get those bubbles out and I'll clean that up. Yeah. Get those bubbles out of there. Too hard. Alright, you ready to put it in the oven?
I'm just getting all the chocolate off.
You getting her chocolate off? You made that mess, that's why.
Don't worry, I licked it off.
Hold this. Okay, fix this up real quick. Ready to put it in the oven? Get it? Nyla's brownies. I can't wait to taste these things. Pay attention. Remember what I told you. Don't let this oven grab you. It's hot. Watch out. Hold on.
Put it on the top one.
Hold on. Put it on there.
Put on the top one.
Put it in the middle. Just
Now,
like that.
bro. Here.
Yeah. And what did you just make?
Brownies.